Yo, what's up, everyone? We're back on live now. Appreciate you all tuning in. So before you tune in, just remember, not financial advice. You all got to do your own research, of course. Everyone knows that by now, though. Let's see. Hold on. I gotta pull this up here. All right. We should be good. We should be good. All right, there we go. All right, cool. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys. Hopefully, you guys can see. Hold on. It looks so blurry. I might have to restart this. Give me 1 second here. All right, no, we're good. I was like, it was looking a little bit blurry. We might have had to restart it. It's all good though. I think we're ready for it today. All right, so yes, I'm gonna pull up these chats, and then yeah, we're gonna get started here. Pretty much 1 second there. All right. Yo, Milo, appreciate you tuning in the live stream, bro. All right, so. All right, cool. Yo, good morning, guys. All right, so yes, let's go over these trades, what I'm looking at. Yo, Milo, appreciate you putting in the chat too. So yes, honestly, let's go over the Qs first, and then so Qs first. Honestly, this was the same box that I had. This was from, I think I charted this yesterday before the live stream, or before the live stream ended. Yo, Sinky, good morning, bro. Yo, there's a dude named Lee in here. That's crazy. What's up, bro? All right, so what I can see here, same thing here, which looks good. We got empty space that is under us. So yeah, what I see here, clear gap up, no consolidation. This is what I want to the downside. It looks like we got a nice box here. So I'm going to use the same one on that 618. Looks good. I want to see down to that 617. If we happen to close under, then I may have to tweak this box up just a bit, but hopefully this happens after market opens. So yeah, looks good. Yo, Glock, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Carla, Lime, what's up? Tesla to retest 495. Yeah, we can go over it, no worries. Obviously above us, so I did see there was another little pocket here. Let's see. So say if we do want to go up today, there's a nice little box we need to break. 620, 74, empty space above to that 622. Yo, Julius, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. He said, yeah, if the market could just pause and bro, for real. Honestly, I hope we stay in this box. So hopefully we stay in this level here. That'll be great, man. I wouldn't complain at all. Obviously, yes, there is another leg down, so if that ends up happening, it's cool. As long as this leg doesn't happen. I can see that there's another box here. First leg down. So yeah, I probably would stop it at the 612, but I do like that 611. So yeah, not too bad. Looking pretty good. So yeah, let's see here. Clear gap, empty space. So yeah, pretty much just like all of our trades. Same exact thing here. So yeah, that's on the Qs, which looks good. I will say, just give me a second here. So, yes, we potentially have. So it's just a box. Don't be scared. It's just a box here. But yeah, we do have a box here at this 619 area. So if we break above there, we might end up trying like a lotto, maybe a starter, and then once we can get back up, looks good. So that's what I can see there. All right, so that's that. Tesla. All right, so I get you see this box. It looks sloppy, but it's not. This is on a 1 hour clear gap up. I tried this last night, or yesterday before close, I believe, and then yeah, we end up dropping. So this play is done for. Oh wait, hold on. Let's see. 490. All right, 1 second here. I do see something that looks really good. All right, yeah, I like it. So I did like the 30 minute. 30 minute didn't look bad. 493. Let me see here. 495. Okay. So the 1 hour actually looked really good. I'm also seeing this 490. Hold on, let's see this 30 minute time frame. All right, yeah, it lines up good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks pretty dandy, I will say. So you gotta tweak it up just a bit. Let me just scroll in so I can actually see. So yeah, empty spaces up to here, up to this 495. I did see that we had a little bit of turbulence on that 30 minute, but still looks good. That's if we do want to get this continuation to the upside. This is what I could see here. And then I might, not saying that I will, but I might leave me a lotto runner to see if we can hit that 500 officially. So yeah, looks good, looks decent. Obviously 30 minutes, there's a little bit of turbulence there, got to be careful. Let me see here, 485. All right, let's see here. Yeah, looks good. Yo, Simone, thanks for the follower. Appreciate it. All right, hold on. Let's zoom out a bit. That'd be great. So it looks like there's another box here. So smaller move, I would say. Still doesn't look too bad, but 485 down to that. Let's see. 483. So yeah, not a bad move down. And maybe I can leave a little lot of runners to this downside too. Depending on what we want to do. So right now it looks good. We'll see how things play out. For QQQ, I didn't get the small box you were talking about. Yo, Myra, yeah, I got you, no worries. Yeah, 1 second. All right, let's see here. Spy thoughts. If we hit 485, do you think that we snapped? Hold on, let's see. 1 second here. All right, hold on. So if we hit 485, do you think we'll... So 485. Honestly, if we do, it looks good to that downside. So that's what I would be focusing on if we can get that. Not too bad. Looks like a lot of things are trying to drop right now. So for the Qs, so this small box pretty much. So obviously this was a 1 hour that we did end up seeing, but 30-minute box right here. So we can remove this, and you can see that basically body candle, wick, body candle, another wick here. Empty space right above this box. So I could end up taking like some smalls above that 619 empty space that is above us. So that's what I'm seeing. So there's a little pocket here, small little pocket of empty space, which doesn't look too bad. But yeah, if I took that, that would be more of a lotto. Just join the money printing group. Yo, Jose, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Yeah, for today, same thing. Just gonna relax and just wait for these setups here. Obviously, it looks like a few maybe end up, going before pre-market or market opens, but we'll see how things play out, man. So, same thing, just like yesterday. We just wait for trades. Obviously, for the keys, we had to wait. We saw this clear gap up. We just stay patient, and then boom, empty space. IWM was a beautiful move, which we will go over. And yeah, we had a couple other ones as well, a couple decent ones. And yeah, if they work, they work. If they don't, they don't. But yeah, you can see what a few members did there just yesterday. Pretty decent day, I would say. So great start for a Monday. So Q's baby, Green Day starting the week good. So yeah, man, gonna look for a couple more setups, see if we can get the same thing. He said, morning, buddy, let's pump it today, man. Looking for day 9. Dude, let's go. I'm going to pin that comment. All right, so I think that's his, 9th day inside the chat of straight greens. So, yeah, keep up the great work, man. All right, so, yeah, so let's keep on going. And, yes, if you do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. We do have these codes that will be ending Friday, so you can see that in the Discord, too. All right, so obviously, yes, we'll go over CLH. Hold on, let's see. All right, I gotta go over. Hold on, let's go over SPY. All right, SPY looks good. All right, CLH. Obviously, yes, I'm still waiting on this. Kind of want to see is above this 45.32 area. If we can break above that, looks good into this empty space up to that 58.51. Yo, Fritz and Ben, what's up, bro? Yeah, I got you, man. Honestly, yeah, if you just, the free chat's there as well. I think the weekly is like 29, and then the monthly is like 100, but everything's, what, 35% off? But yeah, if you just want to watch my free chats too, that's perfectly fine as well. Hold on, let's see. Got to fix all these charts here. All right, so CLH, kind of want to see above that 45.32. Looks good. It's the empty space. Not bad there. BA SPY. All right, so SPY, we're gonna go over this. Hold on, let's see. Okay, actually, SPY looks pretty good. I will say, SPY looks really good. Yeah, I mean, yeah, SPY. Okay, I did this on a 30-minute chart here. Let's see. 1 second here. So I could take that 1 hour by that 685.50, but I did this on a 30-minute, and what I saw. Let's see. Hold on 1 second here, guys. Yeah, so we got this clear gap down, no consolidation. Seeing that we had a nice box, so kind of want to see above this 685. If we can break above there, yeah, empty space is above us to that 687. So right now, so we couldn't get up there yesterday. We almost did, but yeah, not yet. Looks decent. I still like this downside here, so I get, yes, there could be a box here. Could try this under this 683. Maybe like a little lotto into this gap here. I did also see that we have a body and a body candle. So pretty much the same move, just a little bit of different targets. Yes, if we wanted to, could end up boxing this up as well, having this 684 down to this 683, and then maybe leaving some runners. But yeah, I do like under that 682, 91, empty space there, so it looks good. He said, "You're echoing so much." Am I? Let me see. How do I tweak this? All right, hold on. Let me see here. Let's see. Hold on, let's see. I'm messing with some settings right now. All right. Okay. Yeah, I'm just making sure because I don't know what it sounds like from your end, so all good. It was okay. Cool. Just making sure, man. Appreciate that. All right, cool. All right, let's see here. So yeah, that's on SPY. Looks like we're all right. Looks like we're dropping. Looks like we're trying to drop. Crazy. I wish it could have waited, but it's all good. All right, let's see here. So we did CLH, QQQ. Might have to tweak this up just a bit. So yeah, this is kind of what I wanted to happen after market open. But yeah, all good. Can't see the numbers. Got you, bro. Got you. All right, so IWM, we may have to tweak those charts up just a bit, but we'll see how things play out. What about BACLH? Okay, yep. CELH. IWM, yep, we'll do that. NVDA, we'll do this as well. All right, so on IWM, we had a beautiful move in this just yesterday. Let's get off of this 24-hour time frame. Possibly let's go to a 1 hour. All right, so yeah, let's get rid of all this. Maybe we can go to a 30-minute. All right, so let's see here. All right, so it looks like, all right, so there's a bigger move here that I like. I will say, let me see here. He said, "What it do, flight crew?" He said, "Let's make this money today." I'm like, market's not open yet, man. Whoa, wait. No, I'm kidding. All right. So, anyways, let me see here. Personally, all right. So, 30-minute, 45-minute. I kind of like the 45-minute just a little bit better, I will say. So, what I do like here is above this level, this 253, if we can continue. Do want to see up to this 254, which looks good. Let's see here. Top, bottom wall, empty space is, directly above us, which looks good. As of right now, though, yeah, I mean, there's no other words for this. Maybe I should fix this bottom up just a bit. We're in this empty space of this downside, so I'm on a 45-minute chart on this trade here. Looks like, yeah, we're already hitting this empty space. Honestly, let's just say... So, honestly, what I might do... Okay, so the imbalance is at this, 252 area. We'll see if we can end up touching this. Maybe I'll get some lotto calls. It just depends, but if we do want to finish this 251. So, yeah, that's what I can see there, which doesn't look too bad. I do like the upside, which looks really good. So, yeah, that's that. Pretty decent. Obviously, there's another little pocket here. So, another pocket there. So I get it, small move, nothing crazy, but I'll probably take it down to that 248. All right, cool. Did I do CLH? Yes, sir, I did. But yeah, we can go over it again. No worries. So I'm actually waiting on this one. It actually looks good. What I want to see here is... So hold on, my bad. You can't even see the numbers. I got you, Fritz, before you say it. No, I'm joking. All right, let's see. Hopefully... Okay, cool. So yeah, looks good. We're just in that box right now. Kind of want to see if we can break outside of our level. That 45, 32, and then, yeah, empty space above us to that 58, 51. So yeah, looks good, looks good. Yo, appreciate the follows. All right, yeah, that's on CLH. That's what I do like, which looks good. BA, so BA, we did this on a 4-hour, I believe. So yeah, we are still into the empty space here, which looks good. This one's going to be more of like an add or cut, so it looks good. Do want to see if we can get up to that 219.26, and then final is going to be that 223. So not bad at all. Looks really good. All right, cool. Spy OJ. All right, so. All right, QQ and Spy. It looks like this move has already kind of happened, right? So now, what do we do now? We just gotta cry, bro. There's no more trades. No, I'm kidding. So we just look for the next one. Honestly, yeah, there was a little gap here, so this box is kind of done for now. The next thing I do like is on Spy under that 682. So hopefully that doesn't happen, right? So if that happens, obviously we got to look for another leg down, which I do end up seeing. But yeah, probably will be my next play under that 682, 91. Maybe I'll try a lotto into this floor, so under that 683. But do want to see if we can clearly hit that 682 and then get that downside there. Obviously, upside I did see on this 30-minute time frame, so same exact thing I would say. So yeah, right above that 685. So I've seen basically this area of consolidation that we need to break above, and then yeah, empty space up to that 687. So same thing, kind of just like yesterday, the plays we had yesterday. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get in or out of trade, so please do your own research. Clear gap up, no consolidation. We ended up breaking outside of consolidation, and yeah, to that empty space. So great little move. So as you can see, I missed out on this play because market isn't opened. But yeah, that's that. I mean, Q's same thing. That 614 looks really good. So yeah, we're just gonna have to see how things play out. We got what, about 50 minutes or so before market opens. All right, so yeah, that's cool. Looks like IWM ended up hitting that imbalance too. All right, so yeah, so if you have any requests, now's the time to drop those in the comments. We will be going over pretty much everything. Tesla is headed towards the gap, is it? Let's see. All right, let's see here. Tesla ORCL. All right, let's see. Netflix, NFLX. All right, cool. All right, hold on. I'm eating a banana right now, but I'm picking it, so you're not gonna catch me today, or ever. All right, so Netflix. Oh, sorry. PLTR. Okay, cool. Just reading all the comments here really quickly. Rocket Lab, Snow. Yep, gotcha, bro. Snow. Okay, cool. So ORCL. So yeah, we'll do ORCL. Looks like everyone want to do that and run. Yep, gotcha, bro. Run. Let's do it. He said, "Please don't." Peter's on here watching, dude. Nah, bro. It's not that type of live stream, man. Yeah, that's funny. That's funny. All right, so on ORCL, this is what I can see here, which looks pretty cool. Yo, Julius is crazy, man. All right, so this is what I see to the upside. We'll look at the downside too, so just give me a second. Upside, obviously, we haven't reached there yet, but do want to see if we can break outside of this 198, and then yeah, empty spaces above us, which looks good, to that 221. So that's there. Obviously, we haven't reached that yet, so there's just no entry on that. Let me look at maybe a 1 hour. Okay. Okay, yeah, I got it. We'll move this away so you aren't confused on what I'm looking at. So yeah, there is basically two boxes here. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, okay. Top. Down into that 180. So 192 down to that 188. If we can get that break outside of our wall there, looks really good. Yeah, I got empty space, which isn't pretty bad, I will say. So looks like a small little day trade if that ends up happening. And then yes. So this is if we want to drop. I'm not saying that we will. I do like the upside if we can get it, but yeah, if we end up dropping, there's also a couple more plays to the downside. So clear gap up, looking pretty good, pretty good. So yeah, right now, looks like we're in consolidation, so this is not something that I would want to trade. So yeah, that's what I can see there, which looks good. But yeah, more of the story, empty space upside if we can get that. That's what I do like. All right, PLTR. All right, I don't remember making this chart. I'll be completely honest. Let's see here. All right, so yeah, on PLTR, I'll be honest, it looks like we already hit that target there. We tapped it perfectly. We perfectly tapped it, which is wild. If we continue, nice close, empty space down to that 190. That's what I could see there. That's what I can see, which looks good. Obviously, there's another box here, so pretty much, since that play was already happening, 189 down to that. Firstly, I would try it down to this. Let's see. this 187, which looks really good. All right, cool, cool, cool. Clear gap up. Empty space to this downside here, which looks good. All right, cool, decent. Back up to 7. PLCR back to 17. Dude, that would be crazy. Obviously, upside, we can look at the upside too. Give me 1 second. All right, so hold on, let's see here. All right, I'm not going to delete that box since it's decent, but I will say that we got an overlapping box here. All right, so yeah, what I can see also that, I'm not saying that it will happen today, but yeah, if we can break through that 196 area, empty space, that's just what I see. Obviously, not saying that I'm right or anything, but yeah, that's just what I see, empty spaces there. So yeah, that's what I would like. Let me see here. So I know it's just overlapping boxes. Don't let it scare you. Yes, there is another box here. So we break outside that 193, we could end up targeting it to this empty space. Up to this wall, that 196. All right, cool, cool, cool. All right, perfect. All right, snow. All right, snow, it looks good, right? We are into the empty space. But, all right, it was looking good this morning, so we did have a nice green candle. Now, it looks like we could end up retesting this wall here. So, I still like it. I kind of want to give this another day or two, just to see if we can get this nice break outside this box. So, hopefully, by the end of today, we can have another nice close outside of our level. Looking for another strong green candle, and then, yeah, looking good to this empty space. Not too bad there. So yeah, right now we're still in that wall here. Obviously, we go back into this 223 though. Couldn't see a lot of downside, so got to be careful. Calls or puts, market's looking red. Honestly, I got plays to both sides, so I could care less where it goes. So just like yesterday, the market looked like we were going up. It looked like we were going to just fly. And we had some downside, so I'm just going to wait for the trades. And yesterday we had to wait. This one, we had to wait for this one. As you can see, IWM, clear gap down, empty space above us. I mean, I could care less, you know, where it goes. I'm just going to react to the strategy, to the play, and then, yeah, we get in. If it works, cool. If it doesn't work, you know, we'll just get out and find a reentry. So, that's that. So, like, even the play like yesterday. So, this one right here, on the Qs. So, I got in and I actually got a little bit of a trim there. And then I stopped out of the rest. And then I was like, look, I spammed the chat. So, if you're in the chat, I spammed this one. I was like, all right, look, guys, I'm gonna smack this move. So, we ended up getting in. And then the second time it did end up working out. So, that's kind of what I would be, you know, wanting to see pretty much. He said, CRWV, Sir Light Skin Young Potter. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, I got you, bro. All right, let's see here. All right, run. We'll do that. NVDA, we got to do CRWV. RIVN. Let's see here. All right, cool. So, yo, Rodrigo, what's up, man? QQQ, yep, gotcha, bro. We'll pull that up, too. So yeah, we're gonna go down the list, down the line. I got you guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, it looks like this play's done, man. Or at least this little leg down. So I personally won't enter into this. As you can see, empty space was there. That 614 is my next little move. If we end up dropping there above that 620, I do like this upside up to that 622, which looks good. All right, run. Let's see here. Are you in? Dude, I remember trading this, I think it was last year. We had a couple of decent moves, I would say. Let's see here. So, run. Let's see. Maybe I could take this on a... Okay, I got it. All right, so this is on a 1 month chart. So, it's a little different. Pretty much same thing, though. Just on a higher time frame. But let's get rid of all this. Yo, Rug is going crazy on in the charts right now. He's going pretty wild. All right, yeah, empty space. He said, "I'll be busy for about 10 minutes, so just giving you a walk, dude." Yeah, I got you, man. Appreciate it, bro. All right, so yeah, above 2105, empty space looks good up to that 2458. So that's the only clean move that I can see. It looks like on the lower time frames. We did have a little bit of trouble. So, yeah, it looks good if we can get that. Not too bad. NVDA. All right, let's see here. So, it looks like we had a nice run up. Yo, Alex, what's up? Yeah, I got you, bro. No worries. All right, let's see here. Okay. So, yeah, I do see two possible outcomes here. Looks like the first one's kind of already hitting. All right, I'm going to do my box like this time. Let me do that. All right, so yeah, I got it. My bad, I had just lock in. Yeah, what I can see here, obviously this looks like we're we're about to touch this first little target here. So I personally won't chase into this. Kind of want to see how things will play out on this, which still looks good. If we do end up dropping down to that 181. I do see another little move here under that 178, a clear little gap here down to that 176, which looks good. So that's what I would like to see if we can get it. So not too bad there. All right, Aaron, what's up, dude? Hopefully you're here. Yo, Yaz, good morning, man. All right, so we got to do Uber IREN too as well. CRWV. All right, cool. CRWV. All right, okay. The crazy thing about this one is I haven't written it down, so that's the only crazy thing about it. All right, so maybe I'll write it down. CRWV. Maybe I'll set an alert too, which looks good. Looks good. Sorry again, NVIDIA, please. Yep, got you, no worries. Oops, hold on 1 second here. I'll add it to the list. Oops. All right, so yeah, to the upside. Okay, on the 24-hour, we'll go over a lower time frame too. But this is what I see: clear gap down, no consolidation. If we can get above that 90.35, we got the empty space above us. So that's on the 24-hour close. That looks like a swing to me. Obviously, to the downside, hold on. Looks like. Let's see if there's. $82, $83. Okay, okay. All right. We got another box here, okay? My bad, just trying to lock in with these boxes really quickly. Alright, so. Okay, so it looks like we're already in the empty space, which looks good. For me, though, I kind of would want to see if we can... So at open, I don't really want to just jump right in. But yeah, right under that 82.80, I feel like we might end up retesting this wall here first. At open, and then yeah, we'll see how things play out. Alright, cool. Alright, so that's there. RIVN, okay. Alright, so RIVN, I don't remember doing this box. I'll be completely honest with you. I do not remember doing this. But yeah, we had empty space here. We end up breaking under our level here. Could have used a lower time frame, it looks like, and then yeah, empty space was below us. So it looks like that first target didn't end up hitting yet. So that would be that 21.34. And then yeah, if we end up continuing to the downside, 20.56. Looks like we have another little. Yeah, actually, not too bad here. I like this level. On that 2060, empty space is down to this 1907, so not too bad there either. All right, cool. So yeah, basically clear gap up, no consolidation. If we end up getting that nice break, empty space there. Above that 2269. Hold on, let me double check it first before I just start saying things. Hold on. Make sure the box still stands. Okay, I still like it. Still looks good. Let me see. I had to double check it really quickly. All right, got it. All right, so yeah, I do like above that 2269 into the empty space above us to that 2350. So not too bad there. All right, so snow. Yeah, we already went over this. We may end up retesting. We'll see how that plays out. Yeah, that's wild. Q's is going wild here. All right, so IRN Uber. We did CRWV. Let's take a look at NVDA, PLTR. And then, yeah, we're going to pull up HOD as well. I think we're supposed to pull up one more, too. So give me a second here. So, yeah, about hood here. So, the same thing here. We did end up having this breaking candle body out of our wall here. So, this was like a lotto play. We ended up breaking above. It was moving up pretty cleanly. And then, yeah, we ended up pretty much going back to the entry there. What I can see on this is... we have to retest this level. So this 120 20 area, this is that retest level that we would have to get a nice projection from to finish this move. But if we go back under this 120.20, we might see this bottom of this box. So that would be, hold on, let's tweak this up a bit, down to that 113.64. So yeah, that's what I can see there. So want to see if we can retest it open. If we can, that'll be great. All right, cool, cool, cool. So yeah, we're gonna do Uber IREN. And yes, if you have any requests, now's the time to drop these in the comments. Yo, Motion Man, got you with Walmart too. So yeah, we're gonna pull that up. I got you. Oh yeah, dude, you didn't miss it yet, man. So yeah, the commercial break is about to start right now. So so yeah, just give me a second, guys, and gals, and yeah, just give me 1 second if you want to. Obviously, I can't really say too much, but please do your own research if you do plan on joining us. But yeah, just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Drop your comments if you have any requests you want me to go over. So yeah, so 1 second here, guys. Dude, isn't it bad that I forgot I was on live? No, I'm kidding. All right, so yeah, let's get straight to it. Let's keep on going. So yeah, Walmart, it still looks good. We do have empty space that is under us. Kind of want to see if we can get another nice close here. I do like how we're in the empty space. As of now, we just haven't made that drop yet. So what I am thinking is we could end up possibly retesting this 113. So that's what I can see there. Dude, yeah, I was out here doing laundry. I was, folding clothes, doing a whole bunch of things. I took a drive out, in the car and everything. So, no, I'm kidding. Dude, I will be honest though. I almost grabbed some soda. I was tempted to getting a nice Coca-Cola, but I'm like, it's a little too early for that, I think. So, all right. So IREN. Let's take a look here. I don't know what box I had on this, but all right. So it looks like I had a 4-hour. Tesla. Yep. Got you, bro. No worries. So yeah, right above this 44.19, we got some empty space above us, which looks good. So we haven't reached up there yet, but kind of want to see if we can break that 44.19, and then yeah, we got that empty space that looks really, really good. All right, all right. He said, "Good morning, have a nice day." All right, so yeah, that's there. To the downside, we can take a look here as well. Okay. Okay, yeah, I got it. Let's see. Yo, I know what's up, bro. APOD, yes sir, man, I got you. So under that 40.34, what I do like there is down to this 37.94. So looks like we're still in that box. Oops, not mean to move that, but there we go. So yeah, we got empty space to the downside, which doesn't look too bad. Kind of want to see if we can go into there. If we can, looks good. If we can't, we might end up using this floor as a nice buy up. So we shall see. We shall see. Yo, Rug is going ham with these charts right now, guys. Pretty nice. All right, so IRN Blanca, I think she won an Uber. What do you think of Spy on the 2 hour and 4 hour? See a bunch of downside, dude. Yep, gotcha, man. We'll take a look there as well. Uber, okay. Ooh, Uber. Yeah, it doesn't look bad, I will say. I like the 1 hour. The 1 hour looks good. Hold on. 4 hour, okay. 2 hour. Okay, yeah, looks good. All right, yeah, Blanca. Honestly, I see like, yeah, there's many legs up I can see, even a leg down if we wanted to. So we'll go over to the top wall here. Yo, my friend, he was like, he said, "I'm watching the live stream, bro." He said, "To be honest, if it looks good, I'm gonna full port." I'm like, bro. I guess he's been seeing like the trades and stuff, so I'm gonna tell. Maybe I should respond and be like, be patient. Yeah, that's funny. He said, "How many screens are you running? Also, what's the chair that Potter bought?" So I have what? I got four screens. I have 4 screens. You don't need 4 screens, but I just have 4. What chair did he buy? I don't know. I don't know what chair he bought. I know it's some like upgraded chair though. It's great. Yeah, it's cool. I gotta get me another chair too. I have one of these like gamer chairs, I guess you could say. $80.31. So yeah, if we end up dropping down to that $78.81, which looks good. So do want to see if we can end up getting that little break outside of this box into this empty space, which looks good. Yo, Justin, thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. So yeah, right now we're just in consolidation in that box. So we're in that box. I don't tell anyone to do anything. Well, I don't tell anyone to do anything regardless. Never have, but at least for me, I don't get in trades. I don't like to be like, oh yeah, let's just get in just because we want to. I like to wait. So today I'm just going to be doing the same thing, just waiting to see if we can get some entries. And if the trade comes, cool, it'll be there. If it doesn't, want to show, then yeah, I'm just going to wait. So you can see, the day we had just yesterday, what a few people did too as well. So yeah, we're just going to pretty much do the same thing and just pretty much wait. All right, so we did IREN, we did PLTR, we did NVDA, good. We did Walmart. Okay, hold on. Take a look at. Hold on, let's see. Tesla. Yeah, I do want to look at that again. I want to pull up Q's as well. What about IREN? I think we just did that one, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, we did. Okay. I was making sure I wasn't tripping. Okay, so yeah, on IREN, I do like the downside on that 40.34. Empty spaces there. Obviously, upside looks really good. So I think we did this on a 4-hour. So yeah, we did. We can close above that 44.19. We do have empty space up to this 47.96. So looks good right now. We're just in that empty space in that, or we're in consolidation. My bad. So looking for a break outside of consolidation. That's what I can see. All right, so QQQ, we're pretty much. It said screw. It said screw us. It said that it wanted to make the move before pre-market. So so this was my first original move that I wanted. Sorry, these notifications are dropping my phone. So under 6.7, so 6.17 is that final. Obviously, if we continue under that 6.14, I want to see down to that 6.11 area. We go back above to 6.20. I want to see up to that 6.22. So yeah, it looks good. I could care less what happens, as long as we get a move. But yeah, it looks really good. All right, so Tesla. So Tessie looks pretty good. Pretty dandy. Okay. All right, so this is what I had here. So I may take these a little lighter. We'll just have to see how things play out on this. But so I get it. Before you roast me, only $2 move down. Nothing crazy, nothing wild. Yes, there is a little bit more legs down, but want to say under that 485 down to that 483 looks good. Above us, 490 up to that 494. So careless what happens right now. We're in consolidation. It's having trouble picking a side, which is honestly a good thing for me. So I don't really want to rush into anything. I wanted to let it show me that it wants it for sure. All right, so we did the Qs. So let me look at SPY again. Let me see where we're pretty much at. Okay, it looks like we ended up closing there. Okay. Yeah, it looks good. So SPY, I mean, that is a clean move here. Body counter, wick. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, it looks good. So under that 682, I want us to clear that. And then boom, empty spaces below us, above us, man. Yeah, man. 685, empty space up there. So I'm not gonna rush into anything. Just want to see how things play out for today. So what? Netflix. Yo, Lawnmower, what's up, bro? So what? Let me see. Actually, I'm gonna leave these up here. BA. All right, cool. Netflix. All right, Walmart. Looks like we're trying to push there. We'll see. Netflix. HOD. So yeah, HOD. We're pretty much at this retest spot. So possibly end of day, looking for a nice push back up, and then yeah, I do want to see if we can get that empty space, which looks really good. Netflix, yep, we'll go over it too. CELH, yo, what's up, bro? Yeah, gotcha, man. When is the... So yes, the code will be ending on Friday. All right, okay, let's see. All right. Actually, there is something here. He said, he said Tesla, let's see if that trick and payout. I will put her on the corner and make her work. All right, let me stop before I get banned. Yo, Right is crazy, bro. Every time he sends that, it's so funny. Hold on 1 second, guys. 1 second. Yo, that's so funny. Alright. Alright, let's see here. My bad. I was reading a few of these chats. It's actually not a bad it's actually not a bad song. It's just the song that comes after is just insane. Alright, so Netflix, my bad, guys. He said, are you thinking Netflix is... Honestly, I do like the upside on it. So this is kind of what I would want to see. Right above this 93.65, we got empty space, which is above us. To that 94.93. Right now, yeah, we're just in that box. So, yeah, I just want to see if we can break outside that wall, and then empty space is above us. He said, what's better than Robinhood to trade on? Dude, I feel like Lawnmower should answer that question. Honestly, yeah, Glock, he did, obviously can't tell anyone to, use anything or do anything, of course, so just make sure you do your own research. For me, I use, Webull, TradeStation, things of that sort. I have a few other ones as well, but, yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so pretty much that's all that I wait for, Van, Taylor. But yeah, empty space, so I'll be honest, I don't rush into my trades. Like, for this trade here, I posted this one. You can see where we were. You can see the level we had to break for these puts. I wasn't going to enter in. I'm going to wait. Obviously, maybe sometimes I'll have some, like, starters or whatever. But I do like to wait. And you can see how high we were, how much time we had to wait. And then, yeah, we ended up dropping. And then, yeah, I pretty much just get in and then get out. And that's pretty much it. You can see we're in that box here. Looks like this one punched back pretty much. And then empty space directly above us. So that's what I would be like pretty much looking for. So yeah, we'll have to see how things play out. Oops, did not mean to move that box. Don't want to move anything. Yeah, man, no worries. If you have any questions, let us know. Everyone here is really cool. I'm going to set some alerts up to here. See if we can push above. Alright, so that's there. We did Netflix. We did, let's see, IRN, SPY. We did that, Tesla. Okay, yeah, we did all these trades here too as well. Can I check out Bull? Yo, Nick, what's up, bro? Yes, sir, man, I got you. Let's see. Actually, gonna leave that up. We're gonna leave those up. Bull. Alright, yeah, no worries. So maybe on the 24-hour chart, maybe I can see something. Hold on. 44, 2-hour. Okay, I do see I like the 2-hour. The 2-hour looks good. 4-hour looks decent though. Hold on. Okay, so honestly, I personally would take this over this 2-hour. He said, "How fast have you pushed that vet?" Dude, honestly, I'd just be cruising in it. Maybe I hit it a couple times, but that's it. I'd just be mainly cruising, I would say. It's pretty cool though. It's nice. So yeah, I kind of want to see above that 892 empty space is above us to that 943. So it actually looks good. How do you draw the boxes? So in order for you to draw these boxes here, kind of want to just show you really quickly. Let's see. All right, I'm going to leak it really quickly. Hold on. So basically all you got to do is just go over to the left-hand corner. You'll see these geometric shapes here. And then you go down to shapes, and then boom, you have your rectangle. And then boom, you got your nice little box there. And then obviously the horizontal lines, you go to trend line tools, and then boom, you scroll down to the horizontal line. And then boom, you got your line there. So that's pretty much it. But yes, guys and gals, thank you all so much for tuning into the live stream. I'll make a video on it, so no worries if you didn't get that. So, but yeah, no worries at all. I got a lot of typing to do. You guys know this by now. So yes, I'll see you either in the Discord or in my next live stream. Free chat is there. VIP Discord is there. Everything's in the bio. But yeah, if you want to join in my next free live stream, I'll be here in like an hour. So yes, have a blessed one, guys. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much. And for the tube, appreciate you all tuning in as well. So got a lot of typing to do.